Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you an excellent model for betting. This model is for AFL. I have built it on 2024 data set, and this is an special and sophisticated model that includes the injury statistics of the players, offenses, defenses, averages, home and away team aim, advantage, disadvantages as well. You can manually input the players for the matching of the actual roster that will give the real taste of the game, and you will have an extra advantage or extra edge while betting. And you can see here you can also change the teams whichever you want. You can select here the Melbourne, and the calculation will be automatically done. And this model is very useful, and this model predicts the disposals with a 97% accuracy in the regression analysis, and it has 4 data sets. Among 3 are automatically updated, and the number 4th needs to be manually updated. You can see here the scores of the games as well, winning and loss of percentages, and the predicted disposals for the total team and for individual players as well. The statistics here are the home teams and here are the away teams. So if you need this model, just comment down below, and I will share you information how you can get this model. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have learned something new, and you have find something useful as well. Thank you.